You are not broke because you don't earn enough. You are broke because of 5 traps that were designed to feel completely normal. And the most dangerous part? Most people spend their entire lives inside them and never even notice. Trap 1, lifestyle inflation. Every time your salary goes up, so does everything else. Instead of using raises and bonuses to build wealth, the money goes straight toward a newer car, a bigger apartment, more expensive habits. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. You upgrade, you adjust, and then the upgrade stops feeling like an upgrade. A 2024 survey found that 36% of Americans earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Higher income without changed habits is just a more expensive treadmill. Trap 2, the monthly payment illusion. The question that keeps people poor isn't, can I afford this? It's, can I afford the monthly payment? The interest paid on consumer debt represents a massive opportunity cost. Money that could otherwise be invested in compounding over time. Breaking something into small payments doesn't make it cheaper, it makes it invisible. Trap 3, debt normalization. When everyone around you has car loans, credit card debt, and a mortgage, debt begins to feel normal. This creates a psychological permission structure, a quiet internal voice that says, everyone is doing this, so it must be fine. It is not fine, it is just common, and common is not the same as safe. Trap 4, spending to look wealthy instead of becoming wealthy. Most middle-class people spend more time researching a new phone than understanding how their retirement account works. The wealthy focus on being rich. The middle class focuses on looking rich. Debt is what fills the gap between those two things. Trap 5, avoiding the discomfort of learning. This is the trap no one admits to. Most people understand they should invest, save, and build. The barrier isn't knowledge. It's the discomfort of facing what you've been doing wrong, so they avoid it, and the traps keep running, quietly, automatically, year after year. None of these traps require a high income to escape. They only require one thing, seeing them clearly. The moment you stop repeating these traps, your financial life begins to change. You don't need luck, a degree, or a high salary. You just need to stop doing what everyone else is doing and calling it normal. The traps were always visible. You just needed someone to point at them. Subscribe, because on this channel, we name the things nobody else wants to say out loud.